What if software could not just answer questions but actually do the work? Picture this: a quantitative trading fund in Shanghai. Instead of 200 analysts working 8 zero-hour weeks to analyze market data, there are now AI agents that execute the same analysis continuously, 24/7. These agents monitor global markets, identify patterns, execute trades, and generate reports, all without human intervention for routine decisions. Sound like science fiction? It's not. It's happening right now, at scale, across China's financial sector. And this is just one industry. Today, we're going deep on AI agents, the technology that multiple research firms say will drive the next wave of enterprise transformation. We're calling 2026 the year of scale for AI agents, and today I'll show you why. We'll decode why AI agents represent a fundamentally different category from the chatbots you've been using. We'll examine the real numbers, not demos, not prototypes, but deployed systems generating real revenue. We'll look at the business models that are emerging, and most importantly, we'll analyze the investment opportunities in this space. This is China Alpha Hunter, and we're hunting alpha in the AI agent revolution. Thesis. Let's make sure we're using the same definitions. Because AI agent means something very specific, and it's fundamentally different from the AI chatbots you've been using. An AI agent is an AI system that can perceive its environment through data inputs. This means reading documents, monitoring systems, processing images, or receiving information from connected sources. Plan a sequence of actions to achieve a goal. This means breaking down complex objectives into manageable steps and sequencing them optimally. Execute those actions autonomously. This means taking real-world actions, sending emails, updating databases, making API calls, generating documents, iterate and improve based on outcomes. This means learning from successes and failures to get better over time. The key difference: an AI chatbot responds to prompts. You ask, it answers. An AI agent takes initiative. It interprets goals, plans execution, and reports outcomes without waiting for instructions. Here's a practical example that illustrates the difference. A traditional AI chatbot approach. You ask, analyze this company's financial statements. The AI returns an analysis based on your input and goes no further. An AI agent approach. The system monitors market data continuously. Based on Q1 earnings data, it identifies 5 companies in a watch list with earnings surprises. It initiates due diligence on the top 3, cross-references with alternative data, prepares investment recommendations, and alerts the portfolio manager, all without being asked. The agent doesn't just answer questions. It takes ownership of tasks and sees them through to completion. The spectrum of autonomy matters. Level 1. AI assists human decisions. Current chatbots. Human makes final call. Level 2. AI recommends actions. Human approves before execution. Level 3. AI acts autonomously within defined parameters. Routine tasks handled automatically. Level 4. AI manages complex workflows. with minimal oversight, significant delegation possible. Level 5. Fully autonomous operation. This is the future state, not yet achieved. The investment thesis centers on levels 3 to 4, where AI agents are generating measurable business value today. These aren't theoretical capabilities. They are deployed systems. Let's talk about the money. Because the market projections for AI agents are or will be among the most analyzed numbers in technology investing. Multiple research firms project AI agent market growth. According to IDC's Global AI Agent Market Forecast, 2024 to 2029, we're looking at substantial market expansion. 2024 market, significant and growing. 2026 projections, substantial growth trajectory. Long-term outlook, multi-hundred billion USD market potential. This measures agentic capabilities embedded across enterprise software. For the standalone AI agent software market, specifically, independent research firms estimate 2025 market $7, 8 billion. Fortune Business Insights, Precedence Research, Markets and Markets, Grand View Research, 2030 projection $52, 55 billion. CAGR, approximately 46%. Let me put this in perspective. A 46% compound annual growth rate means the standalone AI agent software market roughly doubles every 2 years. At that rate, we're talking about a market that grows from under 10 billion today to over 50 billion by 2030. The broader Gartner figure captures enterprise software spending broadly, while standalone market research focuses on dedicated AI agent software platforms. China-specific dynamics are particularly interesting. The Chinese AI agent market is experiencing unique growth patterns, driven by 3 factors. First, government digitalization initiatives. The Chinese government is actively deploying AI agents in public services, administrative processing, citizen services, internal workflows. This creates large-scale deployment opportunities and validates the technology in mission-critical applications. Second, manufacturing AI adoption. China's massive manufacturing base is integrating AI agents for production optimization, quality control, and logistics management. The scale of China's manufacturing means even small efficiency gains translate to significant value. Third, financial sector investment. Chinese financial institutions are among the most aggressive AI adopters globally. Banks, insurers, and asset managers are deploying AI agents for trading, risk management, compliance, and customer service. Where the money goes in China, multiple sectors are deploying AI agents at scale. Financial services, trading automation, risk modeling, regulatory compliance monitoring, customer service agents, fraud detection, manufacturing, production optimization, predictive maintenance, quality control, supply chain management, retail, e-commerce, customer service, inventory management, personalized marketing, demand forecasting, healthcare, diagnostics support, administrative automation, drug discovery, patient engagement, government, enterprise, document processing, service delivery, internal workflow automation. The investment implication. The AI agent market in China represents a significant and growing opportunity across multiple verticals. Understanding where the deployments are happening helps identify the most attractive investment opportunities. Now let's understand the technological and business dynamics driving this revolution. The core concept is what I call token factory economics, and it's fundamentally changing how AI companies generate revenue. Traditional AI models follow a simple per-conversation pricing model. You pay per query or per token of output. This is like paying per ride in a taxi, straightforward but limited. AI agents operate in loops: perceive, plan, act, observe, reflect. Each loop involves multiple model calls. A complex task might require hundreds or thousands of model invocations to complete. This transforms AI consumption from linear to exponential. Let me illustrate with a practical example. Traditional AI chatbot analyzing a single financial report. One query generates 500 words. Cost pennies per query. AI agent monitoring markets and generating trading signals. Continuous monitoring, thousands of data points processed. Pattern recognition, hundreds of model calls. Report generation, multiple iterations. Cost scales with activity, not fixed per query. This has profound business model implications. First, usage-based revenue. AI agent companies can build recurring revenue through usage-based pricing. The more tasks agents handle, the more value they generate, and the more revenue the company earns. This aligns company incentives with customer success. Second, platform economics. As more customers use a platform, the platform can spread the development costs across more users. Network effects emerge as the platform becomes more valuable with more data and integrations. Third, enterprise adoption. Large enterprises can justify significant AI agent investments when they see clear ROI. The usage-based model makes it easy to calculate returns based on productivity gains. Fourth, integration value. AI agents that integrate with existing enterprise systems create switching costs. Once an agent is deeply integrated into workflows, replacing it becomes expensive and disruptive. The token economy is creating new winners. Companies that can efficiently process large volumes of tokens while maintaining quality will capture disproportionate value. This is why understanding token economics is essential for evaluating AI agent investments. Let me introduce you to the Chinese AI agent companies that are leading this revolution. Understanding these players helps frame the investment landscape. 食谱 AI, 质谱 AI. This company has evolved from a pure LLM provider to a platform company with robust AI agent capabilities. They offer the GLM series of models and have built agent frameworks that enable enterprise deployment. Their strategic focus is on financial services and government applications. They've demonstrated significant revenue growth as enterprises adopt their agent platforms. MiniMax 西宇科技 MiniMax has taken a different approach, focusing on consumer-facing AI agent applications. They offer AI writing assistants, coding tools, and productivity applications. Their usage-based model has shown strong growth in active users and revenue per user. Step Fund 接跃星辰 This newer entrant has made waves with their Step series of models. They've focused on multimodal AI capabilities, combining text, image, and code understanding. Their agent frameworks emphasize ease of deployment and integration. Beyond these major players, there's a vibrant ecosystem of specialized AI agent companies. Vertical AI agents, companies focused on specific industries like legal, healthcare, or finance. These companies build deep domain expertise that general platforms can't match. Task-specific agents, companies building agents for specific tasks like contract review, customer service, or data entry. These often integrate with existing enterprise software. Infrastructure providers, companies providing the underlying tools and frameworks that other companies use to build AI agents. This includes model serving, orchestration frameworks, and monitoring tools. Three business models emerge. Model 1. API-based agent platforms, companies providing AI agent capabilities via API. Customers pay per usage. This model offers rapid scaling but thin margins. Model 2. Vertical solutions, companies building complete AI agent solutions for specific industries. This model offers higher margins and defensible positions but slower scaling. Model 3. Enterprise platforms, companies building general-purpose agent platforms for enterprise customers. This model offers platform economics, but requires significant sales investment. Each model has different unit economics and scaling characteristics. Understanding which model a company is pursuing helps evaluate their long-term potential. For our private market focus, the AI agent opportunity spans 3 stages, each with different risk-return profiles. Stage 1. Early stage VC, Series A, B. These are companies building foundational AI agent platforms with novel architectures or breakthrough applications. In the AI agent context, this means companies with differentiated model capabilities, unique data assets, or innovative agent frameworks. Characteristics: highest risk, highest potential return, investment via equity rounds, convertible notes, exit via M&A or later stage investors. Typical holding period of 5 to 7 years. China Alpha Hunter focus areas. Companies with breakthrough model architectures or training approaches. AI agent platforms with unique enterprise integration capabilities. Companies with proprietary data moats for specific domains. Deal sizes typically $20 minus $100 MO at this stage. Key evaluation criteria: technology differentiation, founding team pedigree, path to product market fit, and defensibility of position. Stage 2, growth stage PE, Series C, pre-IPO. These are companies with proven product market fit and recurring revenue. For AI agent companies, this means companies with established customer bases and a demonstrated ability to expand accounts. Characteristics: moderate risk, strong return potential, co-investment opportunities with leading PE funds, pre-IPO positioning with clear exit pathways, typical holding period of 3 to 5 years, China alpha hunter focus areas, AI agent platforms with demonstrated enterprise adoption, vertical AI agent leaders with high retention rates, infrastructure providers with growing usage metrics, valuation benchmarks 1020x revenue for proven platforms, key evaluation criteria, revenue growth rate and composition, gross margin trends, customer concentration and retention, and competitive moat durability. Stage 3, late stage, strategic opportunities. These include pre-IPO rounds and strategic investments in established players. Characteristics: lower risk, defined return expectations, direct access to management and favorable terms, bridge to secondary market liquidity, typical holding period of 1 to 3 years, China alpha hunter focus areas, pre-IPO rounds of leading AI agent companies, secondary transactions in high-growth companies, strategic investments aligned with portfolio themes, investment framework by profile, deep tech investors, 7 to 10-year horizon, focus on stage 1 companies with breakthrough technologies, accept binary outcomes for potentially outsized returns, growth-oriented, 4 to 6-year horizon, focus on stage 2 companies with proven product market fit, balance risk through sector diversification, absolute return 2 to 4-year horizon, focus on stage 3 with clear exit visibility, prioritize capital preservation while capturing AI growth. The AI agent sector offers exceptional opportunities for investors who understand the technology and business model dynamics. A critical technical development that will shape the AI agent landscape is the emergence of the Model Context Protocol, MCP, an open standard that enables AI models to connect with external data sources and tools. Think of MCP as the USB of AI. Before USB, connecting devices to computers was complex and required custom solutions for each device type. USB standardized this, making it trivial to connect any device to any computer. MCP is doing something similar for AI agents. Before MCP, integrating an AI agent with external systems required a custom development for each integration. MCP standardizes how agents connect to data sources, tools, and services. Why does this matter for investors? First, platform dynamics. Companies that build on or contribute to MCP standards are positioning themselves for the platform layer of the AI agent stack. Platform businesses capture disproportionate value because they benefit from all the activity happening on the platform. Second, ecosystem effects. As more tools support MCP, the protocol becomes more valuable. This creates network effects where each new integration makes existing integrations more valuable. Third, competitive moats. Companies with early leadership in MCP can establish positions that are difficult to displace. Once developers build workflows around the MCP implementation, switching costs become significant. Fourth, open versus closed ecosystems. The MCP standard is open, meaning anyone can use it. This creates both opportunities and challenges. Opportunities for companies to build on a common foundation. Challenges because commoditization pressure on basic integrations may increase. Investment implications. Infrastructure plays. Companies providing MCP infrastructure servers monitoring optimization tools may capture significant value. Integration plays. Companies that make it easy to connect existing enterprise systems to MCP may have valuable positions. Application plays. Companies building applications that leverage MCP for specific use cases may benefit from the ecosystem growth. Understanding the MCP landscape helps identify where value will accrue in the AI agent ecosystem. Let me address risks candidly, because the AI agent sector has specific challenges that investors need to understand. Technical risks. AI hallucination. AI models can generate confident but incorrect outputs. For agents making real-world decisions, this can lead to costly errors. While techniques exist to mitigate this, it remains an active research area. Agent reliability. AI agents operating autonomously can make mistakes that are difficult to detect and correct. The more autonomous the agent, the higher the potential for undetected errors. Security concerns. Autonomous agents with access to systems and data create security vulnerabilities. Prompt injection attacks and other exploits are active areas of concern. Model obsolescence. AI model capabilities are improving rapidly. Models that are state-of-the-art today may be significantly behind the frontier in 12 to 18 months. Market and competitive risks. Valuation bubble risk. According to Yao Zhen from PwC China Ventures, April 2026, some AI projects are raising 3 rounds of financing within a single year, with valuations escalating rapidly. Many companies are raising capital purely on hype without substantive technological breakthroughs. This increases the burden on investors to conduct thorough due diligence. Capital shift toward industrial capability. The same industry source notes that capital is increasingly prioritizing comprehensive capabilities, particularly industrial empowerment and ecosystem integration, over pure financial returns. Investors need to assess whether portfolio companies have genuine moats or are riding the wave. Rapid commoditization. As AI capabilities become more accessible, differentiation becomes harder to maintain. Basic agent capabilities may commoditize faster than expected. Big tech competition. Major technology companies are investing heavily in AI agents. Their resources and distribution advantages create significant competitive pressure. Customer concentration. Early AI agent companies often depend on a few large customers. Loss of any significant customer can dramatically impact financials. Enterprise adoption challenges. Integration complexity. Deploying AI agents in enterprise environments is complex and time-consuming. Sales cycles are longer than typical SaaS. Change management. Enterprise employees often resist AI that threatens their roles. Successful deployments require significant change management investment. ROI measurement. Demonstrating clear ROI from AI agents can be challenging, especially for tasks that are difficult to quantify. Regulatory and governance risks. AI governance requirements. Regulators are developing requirements for AI systems, particularly those making consequential decisions. Compliance may require significant investment. Data privacy regulations. AI agents processing sensitive data face regulatory scrutiny. Different jurisdictions have different requirements. Liability questions. When an AI agent makes a mistake, who is liable? This legal question is still being resolved. The market validation is accelerating. Despite these risks, the market validation is real. According to multiple surveys, 88% of early AI agent adopters have achieved positive ROI. Enterprise adoption is accelerating across industries. The technology is crossing from experimental to normalized deployment. This fundamentally changes the risk profile for growth stage investments. Understanding these risks helps you allocate capital more effectively and identify opportunities where risks are adequately compensated. Let's bring it all together. 2026 is the year of scale for AI agents in China. The technology has crossed from experimental to commercially viable. The market is validating with real revenue and positive ROI. China is emerging as a global leader in AI agent deployment and innovation. Key takeaways from today's analysis. AI agents are different. AI agents represent a fundamentally different category from chatbots. They take initiative, operate autonomously, and complete complex workflows. This enables new business models and use cases that weren't possible before. The market is real and growing. We're seeing 45% CAGR in the global AI agent market. In China, government digitalization, manufacturing AI adoption, and financial sector investment are driving exceptional growth. Business models are evolving. Token factory economics is transforming how AI companies generate revenue. Usage-based models align incentives between providers and customers. Platform economics create network effects. The ecosystem is maturing. MCP and other standards are creating ecosystem dynamics that will determine where value accrues. Understanding the platform layer is essential for identifying winners. For investors seeking exposure to China's AI agent revolution, our recommendation is clear. Focus on growth stage opportunities with proven product market fit and recurring revenue models. Companies that have demonstrated the ability to acquire and retain enterprise customers are best positioned. Prioritize companies with strong technical teams and defensible data moats. In a rapidly evolving technology, execution capability and sustainable advantages matter most. Consider the platform layer. Companies positioned at the ecosystem level may capture disproportionate value as the market scales. This is China Alpha Hunter. We've walked you through the technology, the business models, and the investment landscape. The opportunity is real, and it's scaling now. Stay tuned for deeper dives into specific opportunities in this space. We're only getting started. If you found this analysis valuable, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Join our community of sophisticated investors focused on China's technology revolution. This is China Alpha Hunter hunting alpha in the industries that will define the next decade.